welcome to the channel The Office Guide. I am Ravi Kishore Agrawal and today we are going to see the formula tab. Well, we use formula tab to insert functions, define the name, create the name range, review the formula, etc. In ribbons, formulas tab has very important and most useful functions to make all the dynamic reports that you are looking for. Under the formula tabs, we have four groups. The first one is function library, the second is defined names, the third is formula auditing, and the fourth is calculation part. Let's see all the groups one by one. First one is function library. In Excel, we have around 461 functions and they are available in the formula tabs under the function library group, and there is no need to learn every formula, for we can find formula category wise, such as we can have formula by financials, logical, text, date and time, lookup and references, mathematical and trigonometry, and other important functions. The next one is your defined names. We use this option to define the name of a cell, range, and the list of the already defined names can be viewed in the name manager, and we can edit it if we want to change the range or cell references of any defined name. Also, we can use the defined name in the formulas, right? The third one is formula auditing. This option helps us to identify the relation of formula. By using the trace precedent, trace dependent, we get to know on which cell formula is actually based on. Trace dependents are used to know if active cell is being used in any formula. When we use trace precedent and trace dependents, the arrow gets inserted automatically, and to remove the arrows, we use these remove arrows. Show formula is a self-explained word. It is used to show the formula in the sheet. Error checking is used to check the errors present in the sheet. Evaluate formula option is used to evaluate the formula step by step. The next one is the calculation group. If we want to switch the calculation from automatically to manually calculation and manually to automatic calculation, then we can do it by using the calculation option. We can calculate now and calculate sheet option if automatic calculation is turned off. That's all for formula tab. The next tab is data tab. So let's see it in the next chapter. Thank you very much.